Hello everyone, Miss Schlarman here, and today we're going to talk about value, going from darks to lights, and we're going to draw a rocket ship. All right, so when I'm doing this, we're going to talk about how the pressure changes on the crayon.
It's dark up here, and then it gets lighter, how I change the pressure with my crayon. So I want to talk to you about that. Have you ever noticed, like, when you push really hard on a crayon, it gets dark, and then you start going less heavy with it and you lighten your hand and it gets lighter and lighter and lighter and lighter. So I can come back and I can even notice how it changes. It goes from super dark to real light. And that's kind of like how the flames look coming out of the rocket ship. So you can do that. Let's see that with another color. Here's the yellow, really dark, pushing, pushing, pushing. You have to be careful though. If you push real hard, what happens to your crayon? It breaks. So you have to be careful that you don't break your crayon when you're practicing with this. And right now, I'm just taking it, and I'm just practicing, learning how to go from dark to light with my crayons. So dark to light, and that creates that value shift. Okay, now I'm going to take that and I'm going to turn it into a picture. Do you have to do a rocket? No, but you can if you'd like to. You can do something else. But what I want to see is you learning how to make the crayon shift from dark to light. And it takes a lot of practice, but I know you guys can do it. Okay, so how did I do this? Well, I'm going to show this one in fast motion, but basically I started with my rocket ship. And a rocket ship looks like a rectangle and then a curve, right? I should have curved that one. And then it's got the top on it. I put a little antenna thing there and I put a window in there because I thought that was cool. And then it's got its fins, right? So I'll put those on there. All right. And then I'm going to go ahead, darken that part up. And maybe I'll put a person in there. Hey, saying hi. All right. Maybe a little decoration there. And then I'm just going to put just some lines here to kind of know where I'm at. There's the flame from the ignition and then the smoke going over there. And then I'm going to start with my value shifts. And I'm going to go, and I go from dark to light, dark to light, dark to light. And sometimes it gets further apart too. I'm going dark to light. I'm going to switch it up. I'm going to go to some yellow, dark to light. So value is basically shading, where you get the darkest of the color to the lightest of the color. So you can see where it's coming through. And I can add in more. I'm going to go with some orange. So I did red, yellow, and now I'm going to do some orange. And you know what? Red, yellow, and orange really blend nicely. So I'm not afraid to just kind of put them on top of each other too. But you can definitely see, so it's real dark up here where the engine ignited. And then here where it's getting lighter. So dark to the light. And then also even with like the smoke that comes off of it, it darker and lighter, darker and lighter. And this is just a practice on how to use crayons. Sometimes people are like, oh, just color with the crayon. But there's different ways to color with the crayon. Notice I broke my tip here. Oops, crayons do that. I'm just going to use the backside. So dark to light. And you can always just peel the crayon off too. Okay, take that paper off of it. Dark to light, dark to light. Does anyone know why I chose to do a rocket ship? Did somebody say because it's the school character theme? You would be absolutely correct. Our theme this year is space. I love space. Space is so cool. So don't forget to completely color the rest of your picture. You can add in maybe earth behind it. That'd be kind of neat. Maybe that's going into the stars. Maybe you've got some other fun stuff coming in there. Get creative. You can make it purple, pink, you know, your spaceship. I don't know why I just went with blue, but you know, make it whatever color you want. All right, everyone, I can't wait to see your value shifts when you change from darker to lighter and really get creative. All right, bye.